Good afternoon. Today is May 3rd. It is the last day of Restaurant Management Lab, which is our restaurant class. I just want to capture this part of the day because it's really fun, and if I'm gonna do more hotel-y content, like this is the type of stuff you guys probably want to see. I'll be in the kitchen. You'll see me in my chef whites very soon. But yeah, I'll take you along. All right, see you in my chef whites. Hi! A little update, I'm in my chef whites now, as you can see. So this is what we call a chef white. And then I have some pants. And this is Katie's front of house outfit. And behind you is actually Chef White. Oh my god, Chef White!
Hello, Katie. So here's the checklist.
Yes. So here's my hat. And so we wear these to protect any hair from getting into the dishes that we prepare. And then I have a knife kit. So yeah, this is the life of a hotelie. Am I right?
Make sure that it has the spoon.
Another thing to keep in mind is
so the way that this works is that we'll split up the team into front of house and back of house. So we're back of house because we're behind what, you know, the guests can see. So we'll be preparing a lot of the dishes that will go out to guests tonight, while the front of houses are the people serving and taking care of the guests and interacting with them one-on-one. This is Helen. Hello. Establishment. So we're making the dakwa cookie, which is basically like a little meringue thing. So we have the stiff peaks of egg whites, and sugar. I'm gonna slowly sift in this almond and sugar mixture, and we're gonna do a folding motion. So basically. So yeah, Helen was very kind enough to sift the dry goods for me. We need a pastry bag. Pastry bag. So far, this is what it looks like. Right there. Right. Clean as you go. That's always what I learned in high school. Clean as you go. Clean as you go. I'm going to be putting the meringue mixture into this piping bag. Scoop it. Scoop it. Scoop it. This is what we're trying to achieve.
oh, just open this. Is there a servant on first? I want the servant. Oh, okay, thanks.
Oh, no. Julia? Oh, no. Alright, so now it's time for family meal, which is like the time that we eat dinner before service starts at 5:30. And I'm just going to show you guys what we have on the menu today. Down the menu. Hi. Yeah. Service is gonna start in around, look at my watch, around 5 minutes. 20 more minutes. Beginning to get a little bit tired. Alright, so it is 9:37 and we just finished lab. That was the last lab. So we are done for the semester and it was really great. Gonna get dressed and then head on home. That's the life of a hotelie. So we are officially done out of the chef whites and whatnot. Feels really nice to be in comfy clothes. How do you feel about being done?
Ecstatic. Ecstatic.
Ecstatic. Me too. It was, if you think about it, once a week, 7-hour class. It doesn't sound like a lot, but for one day to just drain the whole life out of you, I don't know.
It's a lot.
It did feel like a lot, but it's nice. We had such a great group on Thursdays, so I'm really happy.